Today we're making steamed crystal dumplings.
The process of making steamed crystal dumplings. 200 grams of potato starch, 200 grams of wheat flour, about 100 grams of spinach, 2 carrots, 2 eggs, and more than 10 fresh shrimp. As a first step, we'll make the stuffing. Finely chop the clean shrimp and add a little salt and pepper. Stir-fry the eggs and cool them, then chop them into pieces for further use. After boiling the spinach for 1 minute, remove it from the pot and let it cool, then cut it into pieces. Grate the carrots. Let's start with seasoning. The spices used are sesame oil, oyster sauce, vegetable oil, salt, white pepper, and ginger powder. Put your prepared fillings in a large bowl, add the spices separately, and mix them well. The second step is to make the dough. First, mix potato starch and wheat flour in a 1:1 ratio and mix well. Use boiling water to make the dough. The ratio between the water and the dough is also 1:1. So about 400 milliliters of boiling water. You can use the dough immediately after making it. Don't wait for it to cool down and knead it while it's hot. At the same time, be careful not to make too much dough. About 10 dough balls is best. This dough cracks and dries easily, which is not very convenient. When rolling out the dough, you can sprinkle a little flour on the rolling surface to make the process easier. When folding the dumplings, be careful of tearing the dumpling skins, because this type of dough is weaker than the dumplings with ordinary flour. Finally, the dumplings should be steamed and not cooked, otherwise they stick together. The specific method is: first pour a little oil on the steamer until the water in the pot below has boiled. Then put the dumplings in it and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Open the lid and wait 2 minutes before removing the dumplings, otherwise the dumplings tend to stick to your hands or to each other. And that's it. Crystal dumplings. Hope you enjoy.